Now we solve the problems based on the similarity criteria of the triangle class 10th. So let's start. So the exercise 6.3 question number 1 says state which pair of triangles in figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So here it goes. Figure number 1, triangle ABC and triangle PQR is given and the measure of the angles is shown in the figure. So let's start. In these two triangles ABC and PQR, we have angle A and angle P is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree and angle C is equal to R is equal to 40 degree. That meaning the corresponding angles of the triangles are equal, so we can write by AA similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, in the second figure, where sides of the triangles are given, that is measurement of the sides of the both triangle ABC and PQR are given. Now, we have triangle ABC and triangle QPR, where AB upon QR is equal to 2 upon 4 and it is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, BC upon RP is equal to 2.5 upon 5 is equal to 1 by 2 and CA upon PQ is equal to 3 by 6 or it is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we have the ratio of the three sides is same. So we can say AB upon QR is equal to BC upon RP is equal to CA upon PQ. So here by the SS similarity criteria, side triangles are similar. So we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now the next question number 3 says diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So we have to given a trapezium ABCD and AC and BD are the diagonals intersect at point O. We have to prove OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So let's start. We take the triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD, or we can name it triangle OAB or triangle OCD. Now in these two triangles, as we have given, AB is parallel to side CD and if BD is a transversal, so we have alternate interior angles are equal. So we can say this angle number 3 and angle number 4, both the angles are equal as they are in alternate interior angles. Similarly, we have again AB and CD are parallel lines and CA is the transversal. So we have this one angle number 1 and angle number 2, both are equal. Now here in these two triangles OCD and triangle OAB, we have two angles are equal. So we can write by AA similarity criteria, triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. So we know that the triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. So we can write OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So it's proved. So the question number 4 says, in this one figure, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. As by this figure, we have given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And we have to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So for this, in this one triangle PQR, if it is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2, we are talking about the triangle PQR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we can say side opposite to the equal angles are equal. In a triangle, side opposite to equal angles are equal. So angle 1, opposite side of angle 1 is PR and angle 2, opposite side of this angle 2 is PQ. So we have PR is equal to QP, as in a triangle side opposite to equal angles are equal. Now this is the equation number 1, and we have given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Now in place of PR, we can put the value by the equation number 1, that is QP. So by the equation 1 and 2, we have in place of PR, it is QP. Now we can write the inverse of this equation. So it will become QS upon QR is equal to QP upon QT. Now in this figure, we can say QS upon QR is equal to QP upon QT. Okay. So now we can take the triangles PQS and the triangle TQR. In these two triangles, QS upon QR is equal to QP upon QT, and also angle SQP is equal to RQT is equal to angle number 1. So we can say side and this angle included between these two sides. So by the SAS similarity rule, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, and hence it proved. Now let's the question number 6 of this exercise. In the figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, we have to show triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. That is, small triangle ADE is similar to big triangle ABC. Now remember, it is given that triangle ABE, this one triangle, and the triangle ACD, these two triangles are congruent, and we have to prove small one triangle ADE is similar to big one triangle ABC. So for proving this, we have given the triangles are congruent, so we can write corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So AB, as it is given, ABE triangle congruent to ACD, so the side AB is equal to side AC. So we can take AB upon AC is equal to 1, and similarly AE upon AD is, these two sides are also equal. So we take ratio AE upon AD, that is equal to 1. So by these two equations, we can say AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AD. Now we can write this equation in another form. AB upon this AE, we have to do cross multiplication of this only. So it will become AB upon AE is equal to AC upon AD. Then AE is equal to AD, as it is AE is equal to AD. So in this equation, AB upon AE is equal to AC upon AD. We change the values of AE and AD. So when we change the value AE as AD and this AD as AE, we get the new equation, that is AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. Remember, whatever the given in this one, only we have to write in place of AE, that is AD, and in place of AD we have to write AE. So we get this equation. So now we can compare the triangles ADE and triangle big one ABC. In these two triangles, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE, and angle DAE, this is include in the small triangle ADE, and angle BAC, that A angle is again in the big triangle ABC, that is the common angle for both the triangles. So we can say now these are the ratios of two sides and included angle between them. So by the SAS similarity, we have the triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So it's proved.